Good morning, Ballinger Creek students. Happy Together Tuesday. I'm Mrs. Stein, and this is my favorite day of the week, getting to start it with you. You know, this week is the midterm, which means we are halfway through the first quarter of the school year. It's a little math for you. Think about that. An entire school year is divided up into quarters, or 4 parts, and within the first quarter, we are halfway through. That means we're 4 weeks into the school year and 4 weeks into this first 9 weeks of school. So it got me thinking, as we near the halfway point, teachers usually stop and evaluate student progress. They might be talking with you about how you're doing. Sometimes we send what's called interims home to our families to ensure that parents know how kids are doing. So now is the perfect time to stop and think about our Bobcat leadership principles. And so the midterm today, I'd like to examine these first 2 here. We're 4 weeks into the school year. We're 4 weeks into our new virtual learning. So now's a great time to ask yourself, have I brought my best? Have I come prepared every day? Have I found a good learning spot that I can stay focused and listen to my teacher's instructions? Am I following all of their directions when it's asynchronous time and I have independent activities to do? Am I truly being my best and reaching my potential? I'd like you to ask yourself that today. The other thing I wanted to talk with you about is our O, owning your mistakes. Boys and girls, sometimes I think there is nothing better in life than owning our mistakes. When you know better, you do better. And I truly believe you learn through making mistakes. Children learn that way. Adults learn that way. That's how we remember and we reinforce to ourselves the importance of our learning. So now at the midterm, it's a great time for you to stop and think, what have been some challenges for me during virtual learning? What are some of the mistakes I've made? Whether it's within your content, maybe reading or math, or even just owning up how your learning's going at home. Are there some different decisions you could be making? So as we're at that halfway point, as your teachers are evaluating your progress, and they're getting ready to meet with your parents at conferences and talk about your progress, there's nothing better than doing some self-reflection and thinking about your progress. Are you truly being your best? If not, what are some changes you can make? What are some mistakes you've encountered along the way? And if so, what have you learned from it that you will do differently next time? You know, boys and girls, being a leader, being a Bobcat leader, sometimes the hardest part about being a leader is doing it when no one's watching. And so we truly are seeing your true Bobcat hearts come through during this time. I ask you to think about some of those things. I wish you a happy Together Tuesday and a midterm, and I look forward to coming through and seeing you soon. Take care.